Intro. Did I say welcome to Loic's channel?
No, it's like, hey, what's going on? My name is Boom. Yeah.
Okay. Intro. Hey guys, I'm Chef Loic, a pro chef from the DMV. Whether you're a foodie or beginner, I got the right tips and tricks for you. Let's get to it. All right guys, so today we got some interesting stuff. So today I have a filet. We're gonna do a grilled filet mignon. And we have the famous instant ramen Indomie from Indonesia. So we're gonna make a dish with these two ingredients right here. Let's get to it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and season our steak heavily with salt first. Now I land our steak right on the grill. And I want to kind of press it a little bit. And we'll let it ride. So right now we're cooking a filet mignon. It's a cut of beef that doesn't have much fat. It's very lean, so you want to contrast it with a lot of flavors. And so I'm gonna let it grill on one side for about 3 minutes, and then grill the other side for about 2 minutes, and we'll finish in the oven. Pretty excited to try this, honestly. I mean, it looks just like a typical bag of like instant ramen noodles. I wonder why it's so famous all around the world, really. Yeah, I mean, I'm excited to try it out. Like, we're pairing it with steak, which is my favorite cut of choice of protein. So let's do it. All right, so our steaks be riding on that one side for a little over 3 minutes. So we're gonna flip it now. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some compote butter on there, and I'm just gonna let it rest for a few minutes, and then we'll finish in the oven for like 2 more minutes, and that's it. So first, I'm gonna add the noodles in the water. And what else we got? We got some dry seasoning here and some wet seasoning here. But first, let's cook the noodles. Cook the noodles first. Okay, so I'm gonna add just a little bit of oil on my pan here. A little bit more. And we're gonna start sauteing our aromatics. So I'm gonna start with some chopped garlic. In here I have bell peppers, onions, red onions. I'm gonna add a little bit of red chili flake on there to give it some heat. So I'm just kind of sauteing our veggies and aromatics here. I'm stirring just to make sure that I'm getting nice, even like sear on the vegetables, not just one side, on all sides of the vegetables. So I'm gonna take the noodles off heat for a second and turn this guy off. This guy's good to go. Actually, I'm gonna turn this guy off heat. Take everything off heat. Just edit it. And we're gonna add all of our wet aromatics now into the noodles. All right, now I'm gonna stir all the aromatics that came in the package into my noodles. And I'm gonna throw that back on the heat. Add a little bit more soy sauce, just a little bit more. And I have some mushroom sauce also that I'm gonna add a little bit of mushroom sauce on also, just a little bit. And of course, just because I'm a French trained chef, I'm gonna add butter. And all aromatics and veggies go right back in, go right into the noodles. And some chopped parsley, of course. And we stir everything. All right, our stir fry is basically ready. Let's go ahead and finish our steak into the oven. Steak goes in. So let that ride for like 4 minutes. 3-4 minutes, and we're good to go. So here we have our ramen instant noodles ready to go. Our Indomie turning to stir fry. So let's go ahead and plate it. So what I did was I heat up the ramen in water. I hydrate them in water, and I stir fry some vegetables and aromatics such as garlic, bell peppers. Some chili flake went in there also, and I added the sauces from the package and the dry seasonings, including the wet seasonings, and I added some of my own also. I added a little bit of mushroom sauce, a little more soy sauce, and finished everything with just some chopped parsley. Obviously, I added butter just because I'm a French trained chef. I can't cook without butter. So I grilled the steak. I grilled it and finished in the oven with some herb butter. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and slice it. Okay. And I'm gonna land it on our plate. Just adding some pickled veg on there. I'm gonna top it off with our fried egg. And just a little bit of herbs. I'm gonna finish that without some of my herb butter. So here we have it, Indomie turned into a stir-fry steak. All right, let's go ahead and give it a try, guys. So I'm gonna take some of the noodles, of course. Some of the steak on there. Sheesh. Let's give it a try. Yo, this is what's called stir-fry dish. It's like, I really taste like Indonesian flavors, like soy, and this umami, like from all like the packaged like wet seasoning and the dry seasoning. I'm not sure exactly what that is, but I can taste it. The little bit of amount that they put in those packages, you can it really comes through. The steak too is very flavorful. I mean, So this, I can't wait to actually dig into this bowl after I finish this outro. But here you guys have it. We turned Indomie into a simple stick and stir fry dish. So if you guys haven't tried it yet, I highly recommend it. Go ahead, give it a try. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. Like, comment, subscribe, guys. Thank you. Peace.